Well, when it comes to installing your wood stove, one of the most common questions we get at Duravent is how do you transition from your black pipe, stovepipe, connector pipe to chimney? They don't interface with each other. Usually when you're going up through a ceiling, you're going to use a ceiling support box. If you're going through a wall, you're going to use a wall filler. When it comes to snap lock, which is very common in the marketplace, we actually sell a snap lock adapter. This will go up into the support box, into the wall, hook to anybody's snap lock. We do have a universal adapter. This will also do the same thing. It goes into the ceiling support box, into the wall. It will hook any pipe, DVL, DuraBlack, snap lock. It's a universal. The last product we have here is actually our DVL adapter. This is our lifetime warranty product. This is going to be the cleanest, most professional look. These products are sold individually. Some of them are available in some of our kits.